Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. It's another Blackstone Griddle recipe. We're going to make beef and broccoli stir fry. Made this the other night for the first time on the griddle, and it was excellent. Everybody loved it. So we're cooking it again. So got my Blackstone Griddle pulled out. About to wipe it off. And now going to fire it up. Do I turn it first? Alright, I've got my meat. This is sirloin tip steak that I just cut up into small pieces. Got me some fresh broccoli, got some spring onions, and some mushrooms. Now I'm going to put my broccoli on first and turn this side of the grill down right here and start cooking it, and I'm actually going to steam it a little bit. Alright, I'm going to turn this end of the grill down just a little bit, so I don't want it cooking real high. I am going to put a little bit of oil. I'm not putting any salt on anything because the other ingredients, seasonings that I'm using has a lot of salt. This is just some adobe and just some black pepper. And that's what I'll put on all of it. Give it a little toss. And what I'm going to do to kind of steam the broccoli is, let me show you. Okay, I just have my little throwaway tin foil pans. I'm going to squirt a little water on here. Cover it. Now I'm not going to leave it like that long. I'm going to take it off, stir it, do the same thing just for a little bit. And then we'll bring you back. Alright, I'm going to check and stir our broccoli, do the same thing for a couple of times. Do that a couple more times. Okay, I don't eat mushrooms. I don't like mushrooms. Yes, I have tried them several different ways. So it's going to go on the other side of the grill. Ricky and Alex eat the mushrooms.
This is a rolling Saturday tradition. We all stand outside and cook on the griddle.
And I'm trying to get the camera where it's a good angle to actually film. Because I noticed at the back of it, that gets real hot. And I don't want it to damage my camera. So, we're just trying to find a good way and a good camera angle. Now time for the green onion. Okay, now it's time we're going to put the meat on.
Oh yeah.
Hang on, hang on.
Oh yeah, all that adobe. A little bit of black pepper.
Now, this won't take long at all. Now, this is what I'm going to use. This stir-fry oil, stir-fry sauce. And I'm going to put a little soy sauce and a little teriyaki sauce on it. All in just a minute. And then we'll mix it except the mushrooms. There's the broccoli and the onions. And up there's the mushrooms. Okay, time to give it a try. I know it's good. We just had it the other night. It's very good. And this is my version of beef and broccoli stir fry on our Blackstone Griddle. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, because I love hearing from you. And all of my subscribers are wonderful. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.